Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 8i and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find system and updates. Now let's tap on reset, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all settings without your data or documents, so no worries. What's more, it will of course reset all settings including network settings, fingerprints, face recognition data and lock screen password. So let's tap on reset all settings. Here we've got the information that your device may need to be restarted, not always, and this action cannot be undone. So just tap on reset all settings and you will have to wait. Of course, as it was said, your device may be restarted, but not always, so just wait and check. And after that, after this whole process, the device and all the settings will be restarted. As you can see, in my case, the device did not need to be reset completely, I mean turned off and turned on, and it will simply reset all settings just right now. So so we just had the evidence, the wallpaper just disappeared and the default one appeared on the home page. So actually this is it. This is how to reset all settings in your Huawei Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.